Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I have a special treat for you. Your word of the day is faith. Faith without works are dead. I need you to believe in yourself, believe in your gifts, believe in your talents, show up and show out. For the world is presenting a stage for you that you may not see, you may not understand that the spotlight is on you right now, but the spotlight is on you. And universe is saying, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is saying, show up, show out, and show us what you're working with. Show us your gifts so I can multiply everything and blast you up to the next level so I can show you off. For your gifts is a reflection of our Creator. And if you shine, they shine. I'm confident I will achieve my goals. Have full confidence and make sure you follow through and do the proper work because the world is waiting for you. I'm waiting on you.
How are you?
Hi, how are you doing today? I live in the present and have faith in the future. I firmly believe in my value within the universe because you're gifted and we're waiting for you because we value you also. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.